Claudia likes playing with the handle.
Oh, nice.
Okay, that's good, that's good.
Hey, that was fun.
Did you guys have fun?
Claudia's
Did you guys have fun?
Because
Yay!
it takes off in that.
Yeah, it's over.
Alright.
Get out.
But don't pull our barn.
Was that fun?
She likes the radio.
She's gonna get back in because I'm gonna ride.
She just likes the radio. Oh, no, she wants to ride. She
Let's
likes to
go.
ride.
Alright, old Daredevil.
I'll put the scarecrow.
Let's check out the radio.
That's for Avery. Or, I should keep calling her Avery. Let Claudia wear that since she's smaller. Can Claudia wear that, Avery? Here, let's not. That's not yours. Let me get yours. Let me get yours.
Yours is right here, sweetie. There you go. Push this one, pull this one forward. Like that. And that one goes like that. Alright, you buckled in? See you later.
Turn me around.
Watch Claudia's hand. She likes to get down by that shifter.
Here, baby, sit. On video. You can sit by.
Aiden, car. Aiden, car.
Hey, Banky.
Hey!
Is that awesome? Ada, move.
Aiden, out of the way.
Wow!
Yeah, what? No. That's reverse.
Okay.
Low's right
Okay,
here.
keep it right there.